How to draw Isabella. We're going to start off by drawing a slanted C-like shape for Isabella's left ear. Then at the bottom of her ear, we're going to draw a flower. This will be for the top of her earring. Then we're going to draw the outline of her face. Next, we're going to draw her nose. We're going to draw a slightly curved line near the right side of her face. This will be for the bridge of her nose. Then near the bottom of her nose, a little bit to the left, we're going to draw a small line for the left side of her nose. Looking good, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw Isabella's right eyebrow. This will be at the top of the bridge of her nose and connect to the right side of her face. Awesome! Now below that, we're going to draw her right eye. We will start near the middle of the bridge of her nose and draw an upside down U-like shape, and then draw a line going back towards the nose for the bottom of the outline of her eye. Next, we're going to draw a half circle near the right side of her eye. Great job! Now inside of that, we're going to draw a small circle near the left corner and leave that white and color the rest of the eye in black. The last step for drawing Isabella's right eye will be to draw her eyelashes. When we draw these, we're going to draw them towards the right outer corner of her eye. When we draw her eyelashes, they're going to go off the right side of her face a little bit. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw Isabella's left eye. For this, again, we're going to draw an upside down U-like shape for the top outline and a straight line for the bottom outline of her eye. Then inside of that outline, we're going to draw a half circle near the right side. Then inside of that, we're going to draw a small circle near the left corner that will be left white, while the rest of that half circle is colored in black. Looking great! Now we're going to add some eyelashes to her left eye just like we did on the right one. I bet your drawings are looking awesome. I can't wait to see them when they're all finished. Next, we're going to draw her left eyebrow. Then for one of the last steps of making her face, we're going to draw a big U-like shape underneath her nose for the bottom outline of her mouth. Then for the top outline of her mouth, we're going to draw a slightly curved line. Great job! Now for the top outline of the bottom lip, we're going to draw a U-like shape just like the one that we drew for the bottom outline. Awesome! Now we're going to draw the bottom outline of the top lip. This will just be a small curved line going from the left side to the right side of the mouth. Next, above her bottom lip, we're going to draw a small curved line. This will be for her tongue. Then right underneath that top lip, we're going to draw a rectangle-like shape for her top teeth. Next, near the right side of her face, underneath her right eye, we're going to add a small dot. This will be for her mole. Next, we're going to draw the left side of her neck. This will be a long line since her head is turned. Then we will draw the right side of her neck. This will be a much shorter line than the other side. Then we will connect the right side of her neck to the left side by drawing a diagonal line. Now we are going to begin drawing her hair. We will start by drawing her hairline across her forehead. We will make two lines in an upside down V-like shape. Then on the left side, we're going to draw a line going downwards at the bottom of the V-like shape so her hair connects to her ear. To draw the rest of her hair, we're going to draw a big half oval-like shape. It will start at the left of her neck and go all the way up and over around her head, then down past the right side of her face. Then we're going to draw a slightly curved line connecting her hair to the right side of her neck. Looking awesome, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw a flower on the right side of her hair. For this, we're just going to draw a shape with 4 humps because it will be the back of the flower and you won't be able to see all of it. Next, inside of her ear, we're going to draw a question mark-like shape, and then we're going to finish her earring. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome. I can't wait to see them. Make sure to share on Instagram by using #LearnHowToDrawHub. If you want to see our drawing colored in, then stick around until the very end. Also, if this video helped you out, then make sure to give it a big like below. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.